On your Android phone, sometimes you might want to change the media volume. Media volume is the sound you hear when you're watching videos or listening to music, and in this video, we'll show you how to adjust it. The simplest way is to use the volume buttons on the side of your phone. They could be on either the left or right side. In my case, they're on the right side. Anyway, to turn the volume down, press the lower button. To turn it up, press the higher button. But sometimes these buttons can get damaged. If that happens, here's what you can do. Open Settings, and at the top, you'll see a search bar. Tap on Search Settings and type Media. You'll see an option like Music, Games, and Other Media. I'm using a Poco phone, so it looks like this on mine. It might vary a bit depending on your brand. If you don't see it, try searching for ringtone instead. When you search for ringtone, you'll find something like phone ringtone or sounds and vibration. Tap that, and inside, you'll see the Music, Games, and Other Media slider. That's the one you need to adjust for media volume. Sometimes the wording or icons might be a little different, and you might see a music note or video icon next to it. Just move that slider. That's it. This way, you can easily change the media volume on your Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider subscribing. See you in the next one.